Imagine getting a supercomputer delivered to you faster than your Blinkit order, and you can use it for a whole day, return it, and still get a 99% refund. Doesn't it sound wonderful? AWS offers exactly that in the name of EC2. Let us say you want to do some bulk processing of some files or whatever, or maybe you are training a machine learning model for which you want an extremely powerful computer. Purchasing one such computer can cost easily more than a lakh rupees. And let's say you do not have that much amount of money, but you want that computer only for very less amount of time, maybe for a day or two, and not more than that. What if you can just pay maybe 1% of the computer's value, get it in rent, use it, and then return it? Very similar to how you rent cars from platforms like Zoom Car, where you rent it for 2 days or 3 days, use it, and then return it. EC2 offers just exactly that. It allows you to rent computers over the internet. Like how Zoom Car gives you various different options like petrol, manual, electric, whether it is automatic, lot of different options, right? Similarly, EC2 also gives you various different options like how much amount of RAM you want, how much memory you want. Do you want SSD or do you want hard disk drive? Do you want graphic processing unit or not? Which GPU? Is it from NVIDIA? Is it from AMD? You can also choose the operating system, whether it is Linux or it is Windows or it is some other operating system. What are softwares you want as part of that computer? You can choose all of them. You choose all your configuration and then you can simply say rent. And the computer is delivered to you in just few seconds time. Now you might be wondering, with all of this configuration, how is AWS able to deliver a computer in few seconds time? Here is the basic thing. They are not going to deliver a physical device to you. Rather, your computer will stay in AWS servers in their data center. You can remotely connect to the computer using your internet, and then you can perform login and basically do any operations whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to train your machine learning model as we spoke, or anything else you can perform in that computer. You are the owner of the computer for that 1 or 2 days worth of time. The pricing is very simple. It depends on the configuration of the computer you rented. Like if you rent maybe an Alto or a Tiago, it is cheaper. But if you rent, for example, a Scorpio or a Thar or an Harrier, it is lot costlier, right? Same is the case here. You rent powerful computers, high GPU and stuff, you will pay more rent. If you rent cheaper computers, you will basically pay less. And the moment you return, you need not pay anything else. It is as simple as that. So EC2 basically stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It is offering you compute power over the cloud. Why elastic? Because it is elastic in the sense it can increase or decrease its capacity based on your demand. That's the basic of AWS EC2, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, subscribe so that you can learn about many more AWS services all under 5 minutes. Thank you and catch you in the next video.